As a trainer, oftentimes I get asked by leaders, well, how do you deal with a dominant student? One who always talks and always wants to answer the questions. Usually the person who is dominant in the class, who's always answering the questions, is the type of person who has to think out loud. So you ask the question, and they immediately are answering. You have the other personality type, which has to think every word before they talk and before they speak. So the question then is, well, how do you deal with this so that more people can be involved in the class discussion? The answer is, you ask the right questions. Start out with a review of your class discussion of the week before. You don't want to be extensive, but you want to ask some very brief, easy questions that everybody knows the answer and everybody answers. That kind of breaks the ice and gets everyone feeling that they can participate in the class discussion. Then you'll be going on and looking at the actual study and having some very simple questions, and naturally your dominant person is going to be there giving those answers. But you want to lead into a broad question. And the benefit of a broad question is that that person who thinks out loud, they're going to be the first one to talk naturally. But after they finish their thought, someone else will bring in another thought or another answer, because there's more than one right answer. And that allows others to participate. And as you ask the right questions, that allows more students to be involved, and you don't have one person answering all the questions. So how do you deal with a dominant person in the class? You ask the right questions.